Welcome to Brighten Up. Have you ever wondered what our world would look like when OpenAI's Sora is finally released? From content creation to interaction, Sora redefines the visual experience. This isn't just a new tool, it's a paradigm shift in visual content. Join us as we uncover the 10 transformative changes Sora brings. By the end, you'll see the future of visual content, and it's Sora.
What if the boundary between human intelligence and artificial intelligence became so blurred, it was almost indistinguishable? In the realm of AI, OpenAI's Sora stands as a beacon of transformative power. This groundbreaking system is set to redefine our everyday experiences, shifting how we perceive and interact with technology. Picture a future where the archaic practice of typing is discarded, replaced by a seamless, intuitive communicative method. Our thoughts transformed into commands guiding our devices. The crux of this revolution lies in Sora's superior neural network and machine learning prowess. Its innovative design will help bridge the gap between us and our technology, making this dream a reality. Sora's advanced neural network and machine learning capabilities will bring us closer to this reality. Dynamic title effect. Chapter 2. The evolution of the job market. As time progresses and technology becomes more advanced, the capabilities of Sora will significantly alter the way we approach work tasks. By incorporating automation into intricate tasks, we're likely to witness a dramatic change in the workforce, with certain roles potentially becoming obsolete. These changes, while initially unsettling, are not necessarily a cause alarm. Instead, evolution presents an exciting opportunity, a chance for us to grow and adapt as we ride the wave of technological advancements. As certain jobs disappear, new ones will undoubtedly form in their place, roles that we have yet to conceive. This means we're on the precipice of a dynamic shift, a critical transformation that could redefine the employment landscape. However, this will also open doors to new roles that we haven't even thought of yet, creating a dynamic shift in the employment landscape. 3. Our education system will transform. Envision a future where every student will be provided with a unique learning opportunity. Imagine a world where learning is no longer confined to the four walls of a classroom. A world where every child will have access to a customized curriculum, tailored to their learning style and pace. This is not a distant reality, but a near future made possible by Sora's adaptive learning capabilities. Through its innovative technology, Sora will not only provide a personalized education for each student, but will also foster a love for learning by making it more engaging and enjoyable. This cutting-edge technology is designed to identify and address each student's learning needs, making education more accessible and effective. It will revolutionize the way we learn, thereby transforming the entire landscape of education. Sora's adaptive learning capabilities will provide personalized education for each student, revolutionizing the way we learn and making education more accessible and effective. 4. Healthcare will advance. In an era where digital transformation is reshaping various sectors, the healthcare industry is no exception. The advent and integration of Sora, a powerful tool with a significant capacity for data analysis, is set to revolutionize the field. Its exceptional capabilities of scrutinizing colossal volumes of data in a blink of an eye is an invaluable asset to healthcare. This ability opens the door to a new realm of possibilities, transforming the way diagnoses are conducted. Instead of traditional generalized methods, Sora facilitates the delivery of quicker and more accurate diagnoses, cutting down the time patients spend in uncertainty. Additionally, it paves the way for personalized treatment plans tailored to each individual's unique health conditions. This level of personalization not only enhances the effectiveness of treatment, but also increases the likelihood of a positive prognosis. With Sora, the future of healthcare seems brighter than ever, promising improved patient outcomes. 5. Cybersecurity will strengthen. In the fast-paced digital world we currently inhabit, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. Every day, countless cyber threats emerge, increasing the potential risk of data breaches and cyber attacks. These threats, if not promptly detected and dealt with, can lead to significant losses for businesses and individuals alike. That's where Sora comes into the picture. Sora is a cutting-edge technology that has been designed with advanced algorithms to deal with this constant barrage of cyber threats. What sets Sora apart is its ability to detect and respond to these threats faster than ever before. It does this by using sophisticated algorithms that continually learn and adapt to the ever-changing threat landscape. This technology will revolutionize the way we handle cybersecurity in this digital era. It will not only streamline the process of threat detection, but will also significantly enhance our ability to respond to these threats swiftly. This means the time between the detection of a threat and response will considerably reduce, leading to an overall reduction in the risk potential. In short, with Sora's advanced algorithms, we'll be able to detect and respond to cyber threats faster and more efficiently, reducing the risk of breaches and cyber attacks. 6. Our homes will become smarter. This does not simply mean having voice-activated lights or an automated vacuum cleaner. It means that, thanks to an advanced artificial intelligence system developed by Sora, our homes will be capable of learning from us, our behavior, our tastes, and our preferences. These future homes will observe our daily routines and adapt to our lifestyle. Imagine coming back from work and your home has already set the perfect temperature for you. Perhaps you prefer a specific type of music in the evening. Your AI home will have it playing as you walk in. It will know when to dim the lights, when to start the washing machine, or when it's time to water the plants. A living environment that truly understands us, that can predict our needs and adjust to them. This future is not far away, and it starts with Sora's AI technology, a living environment that adjusts to our needs. 8. Our understanding of the universe will deepen. This transformation will be made possible through the innovative power of Sora. Sora, a groundbreaking technology, has the capability to execute complex calculations and process an incredible amount of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human. The robust functions of Sora extend far beyond conventional capabilities. This technological marvel can sift through years of astronomical data, extract critical information, and identify patterns that would otherwise go unnoticed. The skillful analysis performed by Sora will unlock a plethora of new insights about the cosmos. It will lead us to new discoveries that have the potential to entirely reshape our perception of the universe. This discovery and comprehension process will ultimately better equip us to understand our place in this vast expanse. Sora's ability to process and analyze astronomical data will help us make new discoveries and better understand our place in the universe. 9. The way we travel will transform. With Sora's advanced navigation and predictive capabilities, we can expect safer, more efficient, and eco-friendly transportation systems. 10. Our relationship with AI will evolve. As Sora becomes integrated into our daily lives, we'll start to see AI as a partner rather than just a tool, reshaping our perception of artificial intelligence. In summary, the release of OpenAI's Sora will bring about significant changes in the way we live, work, and interact with technology. It will revolutionize industries, transform our education system, and even change our perception of the universe. The future is here, and it's more exciting than ever. And so, the question isn't if our lives will change with the advent of Sora, but how. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, it's important to remember that while technology can shape our future, it is we, the humans, who hold the power to shape technology. As we embrace the future, let's ensure that we do so with wisdom, foresight, and an unyielding commitment to making our world a better place.
So there you have it. The 10 things that will change when OpenAI's Sora is released. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of tomorrow. You can check out below how AI creates avatar and videos for YouTube and Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.